Hello, good day everybody. This is Babes Vlogs TV, and let's talk about politics. Let's talk about world politics this time. So guys, let's talk about Trump and his trade war, his tariffs imposed to his allies, particularly Mexico and Canada. First of all, Trump accepted, or he claimed the fact that he is a businessman. And we know that he is also a capitalist. Being a businessman and a capitalist, of course, he is after personal gains or personal profit. Okay? Because he is a capitalist, he is profit-oriented. Now, who will benefit without his trade war? Without his problem? Of course, it is the U.S. economy, because there will be a continuous engagement between the two countries, or the two countries. There will be continuous trading, and the economy will continue to work, or to move. There will be a continuous jobs and employment opportunities, because Canada and Mexico are among his market of his agricultural goods, and most of his uh, uh, main goods, like for example cars, weapons. Okay, so in exchange, Canada also provides the energy and power. Okay, and Canada has this liquefied natural gas. Now, in the so if the U.S. economy can benefit, and the government can benefit, the people can benefit. So Trump, being the president, he cannot engage in any business that would benefit him, because that would be a conflict of interest. Okay? So therefore, if he will engage, okay, in trade war, with this trade war, like for example, if he engage in trade war, of course, Canada, just like what he's doing right now, just in Trudeau, imposing a 80% tariff to Tesla, for example, and double the tariffs on goods, on basic commodities, agricultural products of the U.S. And in fact, Canada now has this action that is to boycotting American products. Now, the the point here is that aside from the U.S., there are other countries like Europe and China would avail the products from Canada. And in fact, China can also provide the products that the United States trade with or sell with Canada. So meaning, in this way, as you can notice, that he Trump and Xi have this they have their secret or confidential meeting and talks that Trump said he won't divulge. Okay? So guys, so in my personal opinion and my own analysis, maybe Trump was offered or paid or bargained to China something, a very huge amount, billions of pesos in exchange for this trade war imposed on Canada. Okay? Because that's the mentality of a businessman. Because China is well aware that Trump has the control, US has the control over this trade. Okay? Now, so Trump is not actually for the state or for the nation or for United States. He's not. He is not for the people of the United States, but he is only for himself. He is that greedy. So in my own personal opinion, that he has already received or given an offer or paid by China to engage, to do this, to increase the tariff. That's my personal opinion or my personal analysis or views. The way how Trump responds to questions when he was asked by a reporter if he can tell the what he and she talk about. He said that no, you won't. He answered that no, you won't know anything about it. So meaning there is some monkey business going on between Trump, not the US government, between Trump as a businessman or a capitalist and China. So Trump is willing to sell United States or the people in order to benefit himself or to profit from that transaction. That's all. So guys, if you like this video, please follow me, like, subscribe, and comment or share this video. Thank you and God bless.